As a manufacturer or distributor of foods or consumer goods, determining when it's time to buy your first machine and start automating your packaging doesn't have to be difficult. Hi, my name is Jeff from PPI Technologies Group. More on us later. To begin, let's discuss your needs. We will cover 3 key indicators that are telltale signs that you need to automate. Market demands for your product can be a key indicator for automation. Ask yourself, will you be adding new products in the coming year? Do you anticipate a large amount of growth? Or does a client want you to automate before they commit to that big order? If the answer is yes, then it's time to automate. Labor. Now when it comes to saving money, the one thing I hear over and over again from our customers is labor and liability costs. For instance, are you increasing shifts? Is overtime cutting into your margins? Is your labor doing repetitive tasks? Do you have a need to increase production and save on labor? If the answer is yes, then it's time to buy your first machine. Automation allows you to track every facet of packaging and substantially reduces waste and rework. Changeover. Many companies expand and start to offer different sizes as well as different products. Perhaps you already package a wide variety of products and the changeover time is wasted time, with many employees just standing around waiting for the changeover process to get done. Ask yourself, does your company produce or package several different products per week, therefore requiring multiple lengthy changeovers? Do you need the ability to change rapidly from one customer to another with different pouches, products, and other packaging variations? Or will you be expanding and may need to offer a variety of packaging solutions at a moment's notice with very little downtime? If the answer is yes to any of these questions, market demand, labor, changeover, then you need to automate. PPITG is an industry leader in consumer product and food pouch packaging solutions. We offer a vast selection of packaging solutions for every type of application and product. Our decades of experience is the secret to ensure the best ROI on your project. Come experience the PPI-TG difference and find out what we can do for you. See us at PAC Expo East, booth number 2011, and see our machines in action.